Welcome to another demo from Noorcon. In this demo, we will illustrate several interesting and important concepts that you will require for any mixed reality application. First, the ability to insert customizable avatars into a scene or a scenario. Second, the ability to configure their properties at runtime. Third, the ability to have complex objects in a scene without the loss of performance. We will be using several technologies to demonstrate how this can be achieved. Unity was used as the main engine for the rendering and development, as well as the Mixed Reality Toolkit from Microsoft. The combination of these two technologies and a host of other modeling and machine learning tools allows us to generate complex models for custom avatars. As the video progresses, you will notice that we are instantiating dynamic character into the scene. Each instance is fully customizable. For instance, when you tap on an avatar, it will get into the edit mode. You will notice that a new menu is now available to the side of the avatar. This menu will provide you with the ability to make modification and adjustments to the properties of the selected avatar. The edit menu will allow you to change the clothing on the avatar, change the shade of color on the clothing, and exit out of the edit mode. Here, we are going to illustrate two basic configuration features. One of the features is the ability for you to modify the shade, color, of the shirt that is worn by the avatar. The second is the ability to change the actual clothing on the avatar. Both of these configurations are done in real time. This provides a great way for content creators and scenario builders to quickly set up and configure the objects in a scene efficiently without having to code. As the simulation is executing, notice we are instantiating more avatars into the scene, hence increasing the load on the graphics pipeline. Each avatar is also running its own state machine that can be modified to drive different types of behaviors. This type of configuration is fully data-driven and can be modified using external editing software interfaces to facilitate more editing options. This concept can be applied to any other object that will be inserted into the scene as part of a scenario. Thank you for visiting and checking out the video. For more information, visit us at www.noorcon.com or connect with us at sales@noorcon.com. Now sit back and enjoy the rest of the video with some nice background music.